What up everyone, today I got another DIY project for you. So, I have a 2008 Toyota Camry and it has this really terrible hubcap. So I plan on changing that from this to this. And this may not apply to your car, but it kind of applies to most cars with hubcap. So I hope this helps and let's begin. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is pull out the hubcap and then put that to the side. And as you can see right now, the rim itself has a lot of debris and dirt. And all you simply have to do is have a sandpaper or an iron wool and rub against the rust that's on the rim and anywhere that has dirt on it to remove any excess that might affect the spray paint. And we will just fast forward this. In the end, it should look something like this, kind of smooth and not all crusty. Next, you can take out the tire using your own car jack or leave the tire on for spray paint. I prefer to take out my tires so it gives me more flexibility to know where I'm spray painting. Next, I prepare the tire over the cardboard and paper so I can make sure the spray paint doesn't touch the floor. And I'm using the particular spray paint called the VHT Real Paint, and the color is satin black. And they said to use primer first, but I didn't use it, so I recommend to follow the spray paint instructions. So I began spray painting. Those of you who were wondering why I was doing it indoor, because it was raining crazy. Your result should look something similar to this. After you spray paint the rim, make sure you let it sit for a while before you put it back to the car. In the end, it should look similar to this. To see the side-by-side comparison, on my left is what I got from Amazon, on my right is a stock from Toyota. Looking into the Pilot automotive hubcap, it has a very sleek design and it comes in 4 different sizes. Compared to the standard Toyota hubcap, which lasted for about 12 years, but it has a very plain and boring look. At the end result, this is what it looks like.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys next time. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.